my channel. As you can tell from the title, in today's video I'm going to be doing a room tour, and I'm really excited for today's video just because I recently have redecorated my room and I'm really excited to show you guys, so let's get into this. Okay, so this is what the door to my room looks like. I just have a C for Camryn right there, and then just a whole bunch of other random stuff right here. And then when you open the door, this is what my room looks like at the first glance. And my closet is right there, then my hammock's right there, and then my window, and then my desk over there. And I'll get into more detail about those things later, but yeah. So over here I just have a whole bunch of bags. So then this is my closet. For last week's video I did a closet clean out, so I'll make sure to link that at the end of this video so you guys can go watch it. But I have it organized in rainbow order, and then over here is just grays and browns and whites and then blacks, and then my dresses are right here. Then all of my pants are right here, so jeans and jean shorts are down here, leggings and sweatpants are right here, and then swimsuits and other types of pants are right there. I also have hats right here, and then socks under here, and then activewear under here. And then up here I just have some stuffed animals, Ipsy bags, jewelry, scrunchies, and then more Ipsy bags right there. And then I have my laundry basket right there. And yeah, I feel like I kept it really clean from last week because it's been like a week and a half since I filmed that, and I think I kept it pretty clean. I'm a little bit proud of myself. Okay, so then over here I just have my hammock right here, and then I have just a really blank wall, which I don't know what to do with. I don't know if I want to keep it blank or if I want to like put pictures and other stuff right there. But then I also have just 3 shelves that I got off of Amazon, and then there are just some plants right here and just some other decorations like a starfish. May the Lord bless you and keep you at Numbers 6:24. That verse I really like. And yeah, then I just have this little turtle candle. Then over here I have the lyrics to my favorite song. It's Waymaker, Miracle Worker, Promise Keeper, Light in the Darkness, My God, that is who you are. That's from the song Waymaker. And then I just have these little like cactus lights. Then down here I just have my ukulele in the ukulele case, and then just a camera that I use to take pictures. Okay, so this is just where my window is. That's my backyard. I have a pool outside that we just set up. I'm really excited about that. And then over here I just have an essential oil diffuser, and then my Alexa, which my parents got me for Christmas. And then this is just my battery charger for my camera, which I take pictures on. It's really sad because I had it before I decided to start a YouTube channel, and then when I wanted to start a YouTube channel, I found out that my camera that I'd already bought does not take videos. That was kind of a bummer, but what can you do? Okay, so then over here I just have a shower caddy that I got from Target filled with just perfumes and deodorants. And then over here I just have a little like chalkboard sign that says Rise and Shine. And then I also just have some makeup brushes right there, and just 2 paintings that I bought from my friend. My friend made them. Then down here I just have some colored pencils along with just some normal pencils and a little spray bottle which I use to water my plants that were over on that side of my room. Then there's just this really cute mini stapler. And then over here I just have a mirror that I got from Target, and then these lights, which I'm pretty sure are from Target, and then just a jar of scrunchies, and behind the jar of scrunchies, there are just some brays. And then over here I just have my alarm clock. Then down here I just have my trash can, and then just this is where I keep my makeup. So on the first drawer, I just have some primers and setting sprays, and then also some lip gloss and lipstick. And then this little container right here, this is where I keep my highlights and bronzers and blushes. And then in the second drawer, I just have eyeshadow palettes right here, and then a whole bunch of face masks right there. And then I also have these glue-on nails from Kiss that I've been using lately since we can't go to nail salons. And this little bin, or whatever you want to call it, I just have some aloe and then some sunscreen and then some facial creams. And also there's a mask from Tony Moly in there. And then at the bottom drawer, this is where I keep all my hair stuff. So there's just dry shampoo, coconut oil spray, there's some hair masks down here, and then there's also just some hair tools like curling irons and straighteners and brushes and stuff. And then this is just my bed. I just have a blanket from Target, and then these I got. Most of my pillows are from IKEA, and then this, I think this is also from IKEA, but I'm not sure. And then over here I just have my tapestry, which my cousin got me, and I have no clue where she got it. And then again over here I just have a blank wall. Okay, then this is like the last portion of my room, but I just have a lamp right here. It's a touch lamp. And then I just have a water bottle that's kept by my bedside. And then I just have my, I can't remember if it's like a dehumidifier or if it's a humidifier. I'm not quite sure. It's one of those two things though. And then over here I just keep the books that I'm reading, and then I just have some, I think these are called like sleeping masks. I'm not sure, they just go over your eyes though. And then I just have some Vaseline right here. And then down here, this is just where I keep a lot of my books. And yeah. Okay, so that was the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any recommendations for videos that you want me to do in the future, please leave them down below. I'm really open to anything. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next week. Bye!